You know, one thing that I've been thinking about lately, that I've been observing, because I've been doing more Instagram stuff, and just looking at the dynamic of influencers nowadays and bloggers nowadays, it's so different to when I first started, which it was, you would do it out of fun. You would just talk about what you wear or comment on outfits or fashion. You were playing the role of an editor, but there was a lot of freedom for opinions and there was a lot of flexibility for the templates that you would use. It was very personal and it was very interesting and very real, very authentic and all of that. But the authenticity is not even the point. But I just look nowadays, I feel like it's really hard to find people because the marketing on the internet has become so rigid, and it's all the famous people getting more famous, and they all kind of wear the same things and look the same. I'm generalizing, there's still good people, but you know what I mean. If someone were to start today, it would be really hard to Google them. Like, I Google stuff in general, I can't find anything that isn't ultra famous. Marketing is working in such a way that the internet has become just an extension of the mass media. Every big brand is behind the small brands. It's just really sad and really different because there's no room for anything a bit more offbeat. And I was just thinking, because I have so many ideas of things I can do, but I realized that people can't find them. And I've been starting to use a bunch of hashtags on Instagram because it seems to be the only way that people can come across you. The problem is the hashtags can't be super accurate either, because the way people find you is by mass media hashtags too. You basically have to use the ones that others use just to get into the same, just to be accessible a little bit.